Care and maintenance of hearing aids. Before handling your hearing aids, make sure that your hands are clean. Do not drop the hearing aid. Store your hearing aids in a safe, dry place away from children and pets. Do not expose your hearing aid to moisture or immerse it in water. Don't wear your hearing aid in the shower, while swimming, and using a hairdryer, hairspray, or other types of spray. Avoid direct and excessive heat or cold. Do not leave your hearing aid and ear moles exposed to the sun, like in a hot car or near radiators, heaters, or refrigerators. Remove the hearing aid batteries from the hearing aid or turn the hearing aid off when you do not use it. Use a clean, dry cotton cloth to wipe the hearing aid. Use a soft brush to clean the difficult to reach areas of the hearing aids, like the battery compartment or other curves. Change filters or wax guards to remove wax and dirt that may affect the sound quality. Keep the hearing aid in the silica gel or dry aid box with the hearing aid battery door open overnight or when the hearing aid is not in use. Do not keep the battery in the silica gel box. Scheduling routine checkup with your audiologist for proper maintenance of hearing aids is essential. Care and maintenance of ear moles. Keep the ear moles clean and free of dirt or wax. Blocked moles may result in poor sound perception. Dirt may lead to infection in the ear. Change the moles when they become loose or turn yellowish. In young children, moles may need frequent changing, sometimes even once in 4 to 6 months, as the size and shape of the ear canal changes with their growth. Care of batteries. Each battery lasts for about 1 week. This duration might vary depending on the hearing aid features and usage. Remove dead batteries immediately from the hearing aids. A completely discharged battery may swell and become difficult to remove. When preparing to change your battery, remove the sticker of the new battery and let it sit for 60 seconds to reach full energy. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the battery. Wash your hands thoroughly before changing batteries. Grease and dirt on the old or used batteries may damage the hearing aids. Leave the battery compartment of your hearing aid open at night so moisture can escape. Doing so will keep the battery from corroding and damaging the hearing aid. Avoiding feedback. Feedback is the whistling sound that can sometimes be heard from hearing aids. It occurs when amplified sound comes out of the ear mold and re-enters the microphone. You should not hear feedback if the hearing aid is securely fitted in your ear. If feedback still persists, visit your audiologist at the earliest.